Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
With the present government, the Chief Minister, the Sports Minister, myself as the Tourism and IT Minister, we have a cabinet which is a mix of youth, experience, and everyone would love to have this sport to the level of Durand Cup come here. So Repswal ji, I would take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Goa for the next edition. If things need to worked out, I think with Akshay, I think things can be channelized so that next year we have something, a flag of Durand Cup flying high in Goa. I would like to convey my best wishes and support to the forthcoming Durand Cup, the 131st edition. And whatever we can do for Goa, I think the journey has still just begun for Goa. Let's talk it out and make it successful for next year for Goa.
2014, the cup was held in Goa. There were certain problems which we are really not aware of. But now we have permission from Durand Football Tournament Society to conduct the cup at Kolkata for the next 5 years. While we are conducting the cup at Kolkata for next 5 years, but we do have an option that for next year, like we have one pool playing at Guwahati and another one playing at Imphal. Similarly, we can have a pool playing at Goa or maybe two pools playing at Goa. And depending on the success of that event that we have, we can have quarterfinals or the semi-finals also on a later editions. But next year, yes, one pool playing in Goa can be very much worked out. 131st edition of Durand will be held from 16th August to 18th September. There are a total of 4 pools and 20 teams taking part into it. There is a one pool playing in Guwahati, one pool playing in Imphal in Manipur, and 2 pools playing in Kolkata. That is, there will be a total of 47 matches, in which the teams at Guwahati and Manipur will play 10 matches each. That is only the league stage. All the matches from quarterfinals, semi-finals and finals will be held in Kolkata. The finals will be on 18th of September at Salt Lake Stadium, Kolkata.